Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto News Analyst. I'm your host, Tobias Nelson. This is not financial news, but rather an in-depth look at the cryptocurrency news today. Let's do it. All right, so for our first headline today, the Cointelegraph reports Guggenheim CIO expects Bitcoin to drop to 20,000. Really? Guggenheim partners Scott Minerd now expects Bitcoin to drop to 20,000 after predicting a $400,000 long-term price target just a month ago. Now, this sounds like a little bit more well-talk trickling down into the mainstream media and trying to push the price point down of Bitcoin, Ethereum, things of that nature, so that these guys can really enter the market at a lower price point as we continue to see huge DeFi, Grayscale, others grabbing up all the Bitcoin they can. So it'd be very advantageous for them to be pushing the market down as they continue to scoop up as much BTC as possible. Let's continue on. Despite Minerd's bearish short-term Bitcoin prediction, the CEO apparently still maintains a stance that one Bitcoin will be worth as much as $400,000 one day. In late 2020, when Bitcoin was on its way to cross its new all-time highs, the CEO called for a $400,000 long-term price target for Bitcoin. So, as we can see, these guys are definitely starting to move narratives out into the public in a way that is going to affect the market in different ways, because these reports are coming out on places like CNBC. These crazy statements that these guys are saying, or these bearish statements, as we'll say. We won't even call it crazy, just bearish statements as they continue to scoop up as much Bitcoin as possible. Let's move to the next topic. This next headline is pretty cool. Panthers' Russell Okung becomes the first NFL player to be paid in Bitcoin. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's check this out. Pay me in Bitcoin has come true for National Football League player Russell Okung. Some 20 months and a 273% price increase after he first tweeted that demand in 2019. Okung will be the first player from any major U.S. sports league to be paid in Bitcoin. Man, I wish I could get paid in Bitcoin. I wish I had been getting paid in Bitcoin over the last few years. My goodness. Doesn't that excite you that you could now possibly be at your job and request to be paid in Bitcoin, or have your money sent to a company that could purchase Bitcoin for you instead of maybe a 401k or something to that, a traditional investment asset? Let's continue. The arrangement comes by way of Zap, the Bitcoin startup founded by Jack Mallers. Zap's Strike product enables traditional paychecks to be converted to BTC. Here we go. Okung is being paid nearly $13 million and is splitting half of it 50-50 between Bitcoin and fiat. Wow. So what we're seeing now is a transformation into the mainstream media of now the product. We see in the previous headline, we have FUD pushing down. We have FUD pushing down the price point of a bull market on BTC. And then now we have on the reverse side, we're watching an athlete converting portions of his paycheck into BTC. Also in this article, they spoke about other people unnamed from the Brooklyn Nets that are starting to participate in activities like this as well. Just hasn't been put out as an official thing. Let's move on to our next topic. Okay, so for my last topic, I basically just want to go over what I've been seeing in the market for this week currently in the crypto space. So, of course, we've seen the last couple of days have been pretty bearish, and that's fine. That's how it goes. And we also seen these huge whales purchasing up all of the BTC. So what does that let you know? You have mainstream media telling you that the crypto space is right now going to fall out of the sky. And then on the back end, they're purchasing up everything. Also, we have projects like Celo, who are now underpinning the Euro stablecoin, which, as we know right now, they already underpin the the US stablecoin. So these things are now becoming mainstream and a part of governmental systems. And so of course we're going to see these things continue to grow and rise over time. So as a long-term asset, I mean, crypto is starting to become one of the, the bigger things to be involved in. Also, I've been now subscribed to Theta TV, where you basically get on here and, it's just decentralized streaming. Other projects are seeming to go up. And we hope to see the market continue to grow. Anyway, I would like to thank you for joining me here on the Crypto News Analyst. We're just getting started. I'm going to be bringing you all the top headlines right away, early in the morning. So when you get your day started, you can jump right on with the Crypto News Analyst and see what people are saying, what's going on, and from different sources. I'm going to be bringing it all in one place. I would like to thank you. Please comment, share, like, subscribe. This is the Crypto News Analyst.